Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best air fryers that make it easy to cook crispy, delicious meals with less oil. These air fryers offer fast cooking times, multiple presets, and user-friendly controls for healthier everyday meals. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. A Foodie Smart XL 6-in-1 Grill, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Broil, Dehydrate and Crisp. Smart Thermometer and Splatter Shield. Dishwasher Safe. Parts, Black/Silver FG551. The Ninja Foodie Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is built for home cooks who want versatility and performance in one countertop appliance. With 6 cooking functions including grill, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and crisp, it replaces multiple kitchen tools while delivering consistent results. The standout feature is the Smart Thermometer, which allows precise internal temperature monitoring. Instead of guessing doneness, you insert the probe into your meat and select your desired finish level. The system tracks progress and alerts you when your food reaches the selected temperature, helping avoid overcooking or undercooking. The grill function is designed to replicate outdoor grilling indoors. The high-density grill grate delivers strong searing performance, producing visible grill marks and caramelization. Cyclonic grilling technology circulates superheated air around the food, promoting even cooking from all sides. The air fry function reduces oil usage while still delivering crisp textures. From fries to chicken wings, it produces a golden exterior while maintaining moisture inside. The XL capacity allows cooking larger portions, making it practical for families or meal prep. The overall build feels sturdy and well-designed, with intuitive controls and a clear display. This appliance is ideal for users who want powerful indoor grilling combined with air frying and multi-function cooking flexibility in a single unit. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer, Clear Windows, Custom Program Options, 6-in-1 Functions, Crisps, Broils, Roasts, Dehydrates, Bakes, Reheats, from the makers of Instant Pot, Black. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer focuses on convenience, visibility, and multi-function cooking in a compact design. With 6 built-in functions including air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat, it offers versatility for everyday meals. One of its most distinctive features is the Clear Cook window combined with an internal light. This allows you to monitor food while it cooks without opening the basket and interrupting the cooking cycle. It helps maintain consistent temperature and prevents unnecessary heat loss. The 6-quart capacity is suitable for small to medium households, providing enough space for family-sized portions without taking up excessive counter space. The air frying function uses rapid hot air circulation to create crispy exteriors with little to no oil. Custom program options allow you to adjust time and temperature easily. The digital control panel is straightforward, making it accessible for beginners while still offering flexibility for more experienced cooks. The broil and roast functions expand its usability beyond typical air fryer recipes, allowing preparation of meats, vegetables, and baked items. The dehydrate function supports making dried fruits, jerky, or snacks at home. Cleanup is simple with a non-stick basket designed to prevent food from sticking. The sleek black exterior and compact footprint make it suitable for modern kitchens. This air fryer is well suited for users who prioritize easy monitoring, straightforward controls, and reliable multifunction performance for daily cooking. Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touchscreen presets. Fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window, black. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed for households that want more than a standard basket-style air fryer. With a large 10-liter capacity and multiple cooking functions including air fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, and rotisserie, it serves as a compact countertop oven alternative. The 17 touchscreen presets simplify cooking by offering one-touch options for common foods. This reduces guesswork and helps maintain consistent results. The digital control panel is responsive and easy to navigate, making it approachable for beginners while still offering customization for experienced cooks. The rotisserie function is a standout feature. It allows whole chickens or large cuts of meat to rotate evenly while cooking, promoting balanced browning and crisping on all sides. Combined with convection heating, hot air circulates efficiently throughout the interior for even results. The XL10L capacity makes it suitable for families, meal prep, or cooking multiple portions at once. Unlike smaller basket models, the interior accommodates trays and racks, giving flexibility in how food is arranged. A large easy-view window allows monitoring without opening the door, helping maintain internal temperature stability. The auto shutoff function enhances safety by preventing overcooking and overheating. This unit is ideal for users who want air frying performance combined with oven-style versatility and rotisserie capability in a single countertop appliance. Number 4. NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, 12-in-1 countertop convection, 30 QDXL capacity, 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature controls, top and bottom heater adjustments 0% to 100%, brushed stainless steel look. The NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is built for maximum versatility and large capacity cooking. With a 30-quart interior, it functions more like a full countertop oven than a compact air fryer, making it suitable for families in large meal preparation. This appliance features 12 cooking functions, allowing users to air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, and more. The wide temperature range from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit supports everything from dehydrating delicate foods to high-heat roasting and crisping. One of its most advanced features is independent top and bottom heater adjustment. Users can control heat distribution from 0 to 100% for both elements, offering precise cooking control. This allows better browning on the top or bottom depending on the recipe. The convection system promotes even air circulation, helping food cook uniformly without frequent flipping. The large interior can accommodate multiple racks, a pizza, or even a whole chicken. Its brushed stainless steel appearance provides a modern kitchen look while maintaining durability. The digital display is clear and functional, allowing easy time and temperature adjustments. This smart oven is best suited for users who want a powerful multifunction appliance capable of replacing a traditional oven for many everyday cooking tasks. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, Premium Ceramic Coating, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, precise heating for even results, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, 120V, dark gray. The Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer is designed to deliver fast, even cooking with precise temperature control. With a 6-quart capacity, it provides enough space for family meals while maintaining a compact countertop footprint. The 9-in-1 functionality includes air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen cooking, proof, reheat, and keep warm. This versatility allows users to prepare a wide range of meals without switching appliances. The temperature range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit supports both low-temperature dehydration and high-heat crisping. TurboBlaze technology promotes even heat distribution, reducing the need to shake or flip food frequently. A premium ceramic coating inside the basket offers durability and easier cleaning compared to standard non-stick surfaces. The coating is designed for long-term use and resistance to peeling. Precise heating control helps maintain consistent results, whether cooking frozen snacks or fresh ingredients. The digital interface provides simple, intuitive adjustments for time and temperature. This air fryer is well suited for users who want reliable performance, modern features, and versatile cooking options in a manageable size for everyday use. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best air fryers here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these air fryers caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.